Meaning of house dust mite.
House dust mite.
House dust mite.
House dust mite.
House dust mite. House dust mites are microscopic arthropods that feed on shed human and animal skin scales found in house dust. They are a common cause of respiratory allergies and asthma, as their waste particles and decaying bodies can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Symptoms of house dust mite allergies include sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, and difficulty breathing. Prevention and control measures include regular cleaning and vacuuming, reducing humidity, using allergen-proof bedding and covers, and eliminating clutter. Professional cleaning or air purifiers may also help reduce the presence of house dust mites.